Camping isn't just about the hike and the views. It's also about the culinary experience. Many individuals find that cooking over an open fire enhances the flavors of simple ingredients, transforming them into memorable feasts. With just a Dutch oven, you can bake breads, simmer stews, or roast a whole chicken right at your campsite. By using fresh herbs and spices along with local produce, campers can elevate their dishes, making each meal an adventure of its own. Embracing the unpredictability of fire and learning to control the heat is part of the fun, creating an engaging and rewarding cooking experience under the stars.